So what I want to add now is basically a black and white screen when the player dies. So I'm gonna do that with a post process. So what is a post process? Is basically like you can change the whole scene after the rendering is finished. So I will show you what it is right now. I can just type post process. I can just type it like player post process. I can just drag it here if I want to access this post process volume. Now, if you want to check the properties, just click here, and in the right, you will see that, for example, you have a bunch of settings here. I can go to color grading, for example. I can reduce this, compile. And now what I can do when I play from here, you will see that everything is like super blue. Too blue, actually. So it's like super cold. I'm gonna leave it all the default values here. Okay, you can change them if you want. But for now, I'm gonna create a variable here, and this variable, basically, I'm just gonna set. Let's just say if we can set the properties here, like set settings. There you go. Set settings. So we're gonna set the settings. Okay, and which settings we're gonna put? We're gonna go here and wanna promote it to a variable. So go here, and this will be my dead post process setting. There you go. So when I go here, I can just keep the player and put the post process like this, right? Let me just move these things a little bit so it can be a little bit more organized. I can just put it here. Okay. And now what I can do is to change the values here. Let me compile to see the everything here. I can just type here saturation. Go here. And here I can just put the value of 0. Okay. There you go. 0. And now when I play my game, let's just see what happens. So I run into my game and bam. Now I have my character here is dead and my post process is black and white, which is great. Let's try if we can actually make it without dying. Let's go. Our game is too hard. We can change it later. But for now, our post process is working just fine.